This is a short video on how Poly Processing Company repairs external scratches and gouges on a crosslink polyethylene tank. As you can see here, we have a gouge in a tank. The gouge is cleaned up and is prepped for repair. The gouge is heated with a hot air gun to get it to a temperature where plastic will adhere to it. The polyethylene filler material is heated as well, similar to soldering, where the surface and the solder both have to be at the correct temperature for it to work. The polyethylene filler is applied to the gouge. It is then pressed into the gouge while it's still hot. Here you see the repair of the second part of the gouge using the same technique. The repair is allowed to cool before it is buffed out. Once it's cooled, we simply buff out the remaining material to flatten the surface and make the repair smooth. And here you see the final repair completed.